Hello everyone, welcome back. It is Saturday afternoon. I'm in the office as I typically am. I'll probably work a little tomorrow, if not most of the day. We had two Baker acts that came in. You know, this is a passion of mine. One of them I thought was very interesting. I wanted to share the circumstances with this because I've never seen anything quite like this one before. And, I've seen quite a bit. And I'm not going to name the facility, but needless to say, the New York Times wrote a very interesting article about them and some of the other facilities that are owned by the parent company just very recently. So here's the facts. Klein is 30-year-old female, wasn't feeling that great, and went to the hospital and said, look, I don't feel that good. I'd like to get some medication. The next thing she knew, they'd given her a medication that did render her unconscious. I mean, knocked her out completely. The next thing she knows, an hour or two goes by, she wakes up and she's surrounded by police who handcuff her and take her to a Baker Act facility. And of course, no surprise, she had health insurance. Now, apparently, in addition to coming in, asking for medication, she said, can you give me a referral to a psychiatrist? And they said, no, but take one of these and it'll make you feel better. Not realizing, obviously, that what she was taking was going to render her unconscious. And she got taken to this facility, and of course, her significant other can't get her out, can't get anybody on the phone, they won't talk to him. Then he finds out they're letting her out, sometime during the week. That day came and went. There was another day, that day came and went, and he finally called us, and I said, look, I've litigated against this facility many times, and there's only one way to handle them. You got to drag them into court and you got to force them to let her go. And if they're not going to do it by capitulating to the demand, then I guess I'm going to see them in court and I'm going to force them in front of a judge to let her go. So we're filing the case, but this is just another example of the absolute lunacy that we're seeing here in Florida with our mental health system. And if there's anybody out there who's in the state legislature who has a contact with the governor, tell them to give me a call because I could have fixed this thing in 5 minutes. I know there's some changes that were made. Personally, I don't think they're going to make any difference. In fact, I think they could well make it worse. And they missed the one glaring problem that I've been screaming about now for 5 years, 6 years, whatever it is. There's no oversight here, and you need to build that in. So I want to share that with you. Just another example of Florida's wacky Baker Act system. But we're here to fight, and we're fighting hard. So if you have a loved one who's been Baker Acted, give me a call. Anyway, until the next video, take care, be safe, bye-bye.